Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I want to talk about something that a lot of us are concerned about hair loss. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair or just want to prevent it, I've got some tips that can really help. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why hair loss happens. Losing a few hairs every day is completely normal, but if you notice a lot more hair falling out than usual, it can be pretty worrying. Here are some common reasons why this might be happening. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, dietary choices, and nutrient deficiency. Not getting enough essential vitamins and minerals can affect your hair. Medications and medical conditions, things like thyroid problems or certain medications, can lead to hair loss. Stress. High stress levels can definitely take a toll on your hair. Pollution and environmental factors. Pollutants can damage your hair and scalp. Genetics. Sometimes it's all in the genes. Physical factors. For men, wearing caps or helmets for long periods can contribute to hair loss. Now, let's get into how you can tackle hair loss holistically. Tip 1. Homemade hair packs. Homemade packs are one of the most effective ways to improve hair texture, strengthen follicles, and attain gorgeous, thick hair. These packs are natural and chemical-free, helping to prevent hair loss and increase hair volume. 1. Avocado and Banana Pack. The ideal combination of nutritious ingredients to support their overall health and well-being. 2. Amla, Shikakai, and Coconut Oil Pack. Amla, Shikakai, and coconut oil mixture offers excellent hair revitalization, promoting healthy growth and reducing fall. Its natural ingredients with antioxidants, anti-inflammation, and moisturizing properties nourish and restore hair. 3. Aloe Vera and Honey Pack. Our Aloe Vera and Honey Pack offers various benefits for your well-being. The gel from aloe vera, known for its therapeutic properties, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and vitamin-rich activities, supports the natural balance of the immune system and maintains peak performance. 4. Onion Juice and Coconut Oil Pack. Onion juice is renowned for its high sulfur content, which can boost collagen production and encourage hair growth. Combined with the nourishing properties of coconut oil, this hair pack can help reduce hair fall, strengthen hair strands, and promote healthier hair growth. 6. Chia Seed Hair Pack. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that can nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Here is a simple and effective chia seed hair pack you can try at home. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your questions or tips. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Take care and see you next time.